your boy Casey from Ctdgraphicx, and I'm coming to you guys with another YouTube video. And in this tutorial, I will be showing you guys how I'm basically making a mixtape cover, well, actually more of a single cover for your one and only lovely Mimi, who is known from Love and Hip Hop and also known from Wild 'N Out with Nick Cannon. So you guys will get to see me design her new cover for her new single from start to finish. And I'm going to show you guys the cool trick that I did in here. And I even have a special surprise for y'all at the very end of this video. So let's get this thing going. Alright guys, so the first part of this half is going to be very easy. As you guys see, I have it already selected, the hand with her. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove the background from this. And I'm going to actually place a heart in her hand and make it seem like she is holding the heart. And how I'm going to do that basically is by cutting her hand out, and then I'm going to take the heart and I'm going to upload the heart and size it to where it's around her hand and make it seem like that. So as you see, I just made another slide. It's 10 inch by 10 inch, which is the same size as a Instagram post and a mixtape cover. And I just drug her hand over there. The background is gone. I'm just going to adjust it just a little bit. We don't need to worry about putting the background yet. Just keep it transparent. Let's go to open. And let's get the heart. The heart's already cut out. Let's drag it over here. And let's stretch it. We're going to stretch it to where it fits. Well, first let's duplicate it. Let's make an extra one just in case. So let's go over here, right click. Duplicate layer. Hit OK. And let's drag the heart to where it's all the way over her hand. Make it a little bigger. Apply. And I want to bring the opacity down. So this next section, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to either get my eraser tool or I can get the select tool. And I'm just going to go around, as you guys see. Make sure that you're selected on her heart though. And I want to get my eraser tool and I want to cut around her hand. So I'm actually going to speed this process up a little bit for you guys. Okay, so now that I have everything selected, the hand and stuff, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually drag this over to the actual cover that's already made. Over there, I had the background and stuff made already. This was not the actual hand I used at first. The other hand I used, but you know, Lily Mimi, she wanted a hand more prettier. So, you know, hey, whatever the client wants, that's what they get. So I drew. All right, so even though you guys, I have the background already made, I still want you guys to see how I created it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to recreate the background and everything, because I want y'all to see still, as the heart and everything is there, how I really got everything set up and how I set it in place. So what I'm getting ready to do is do that. Right here, you guys see I have my board. It's a 10 inch by 10 inch set for mixtape cover size and Instagram size. And what I'm about to do now is go over here to again, select the heart in her hand. We're going to cut the blood piece off. I'm going to pull this out, and I'm going to drag it over here to my new board. So now I want to just adjust it a little bit, get it centered. And I'm going to minus this down, and I'm going to click back on the old cover. Go back to Photoshop now. And I want to, before I get the paintbrush, I want to click on this square, and I want to tap the background color of that. Okay, so this is our number, so that way it can change it to the exact same color as the background right there. Let's hit OK. Now I want to go to my paint bucket. Paint the background. Just click it. Make sure you click on another layer. Click it. And now we're finna do our our brush tool background. Make sure that you select the soft brush for this, guys, which is this brush. And we're gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna go back to the other cover, and I'm gonna choose the color for that right there that's in the middle, because I want it to be the exact same. Okay, come back. Let's get our brush tool. Click it. Now, as you guys see, it's starting to look like that. So I'm going to go to File now, because I want to create that little white snowflake thing I had. Hit Open. And let's type in grunge. I got this photo off of a stock photo image site. So you guys, for stuff like this, you can just go to stock photos and get it. I want to drag this over here. I want to make sure that it's above the heart and the hand as well. I want to stretch it out so that way it fit the same exact size of the cover. Hit OK, apply. Now let's click this and go down and click screen. All right. Now I want to go back to File, Open. And I want to type in clouds, because I want to put them clouds down there. You guys can actually find clouds online too. Just type in clouds on the thing and they'll pop up. And I want to pull these clouds over here to the hand. Stretch it, adjust it. Hit apply. And now we're going to do our text. Now, there really is no right or wrong way. You can really get as creative as you want to with these texts. This is just the route I chose to go and how I chose to do it. So I'm typing it in right now. Never again. I decided to keep it basic and plain, but this is really going to be up to your creativity on how you decide to do that. So I'm actually going to speed this part up just a little bit. All right, so now that I got my words, I want to put the dripping blood on there. You guys can find dripping blood brushes online. Just type in free brushes, or, you can find them somewhere. But I downloaded mine. I'm going to click it. Let me find it first. There we go. Let's click it underneath. Let's make a new layer, and then we're going to click it underneath there. Make sure the color matches. Do it just like you did the background. I want that bloody red color. I'm going to tap it underneath here because I want it to be dripping. Now you guys see, I have the brush, and it looks like the blood is dripping. I think I want to make that blood a little bit darker though. Yeah, we're going to make that a little bit darker. Let's go here, click that. I want to double click this. Click on color overlay. Tap in a dark spot on the heart. Okay. Okay. And there, this looks a little bit better. Now I want to adjust this, center it some. And I need to add the parental advisory. So type in parental advisory up top. Same thing, drag it over and adjust it. And now we need to add the producer. After we finish this, we got to add the producer name. But what I'm going to do actually is I'm just going to go back to the old cover and I'm going to copy their name. Go right here. I'm going to copy it. Let me go back to Photoshop. And I'm just going to paste it in there. And now I want to adjust the color. And hit OK. And there we have it. We can adjust it if we want to move it a little, make it center, but we have it. Our cover is complete. Oh, I think I have something else for you guys at the end. So wait just a moment. Don't click off just yet. But we have our cover here. This is, as you guys see, it was really not a long process. It just took, you know, you have to have patience when you're doing this. That's what this is about. It takes patience doing graphics, and it's not something that you can rush through. And that, I think, is one of the key success to graphic designers becoming successful, is taking their time and doing things, because this was very simple, very easy. I just had to take my time with it. With that said, though, guys, I do have something special at the very end, like I told you guys. So I'm not done yet. Let's save this. And here goes the specialness coming up for you guys.
Hey y'all, shout out to Ctdgraphicx, man. This is my man's. He's been really reliable. Shout out to him for this dope ass graphic that he made for me, and he's made a lot of my other graphics as far as flyers, and he's always dependable, loyal. You've been on my team, gang. Anyways, love you so much. Thank you guys, and make sure y'all check him out, okay? Mwah.